Time for board math, you guys. We gotta have lots of fun. It's getting a little chilly outside, but that's okay. We're inside, we're gonna work hard and have some fun. Here we go. Okay, all together, loud and proud. B-O-A-R-D, B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Help me read all of these, boys and girls. What number is it? 53. How do we write a 53? A 5 for the 10, a 3 for the ones, 53. What number comes next? 13, 14, 15. How do we write a 15? A 1 for the 10, a 5 for the ones, 15. 6, 8, 10. A 1 for the 10, a 0 for the ones. Counting by twos. First grade work, you guys. Keep it up. How many do you see? They're sort of all mixed up, but I think we can make some lines across from left to right, top to bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How do we write a 13? A 1 for the 10, a 3 for the ones, 13. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Well, looking at them, we got to find the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 5s, that's a 10 frame. And I see another 10 frame and another 10 frame. So that's 10, 20, 30. 3 for the 10s, 0 for the ones, 30. Now here's tally marks. Remember that a full thing with the being held together, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's 2 5s, that's 10. There's 2 5s, that's another 10. And one more set of 2 5s, another 10. So this is 10, 20, 30. 3 for the 10s, 0 for the ones, 30. Are they equal? Yes, they are. They're the same number. They're equal. Read it for me. 30 equals 30. Number sentences. Remember, we're going top to bottom. Let's read it. 3 minus 3 equals. Do your mental math. Use your fingers or your pictures. Start with your 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus means to take away. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 0. Straight line down. Let's read it. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 4 minus 3 equals. Mental math. Fingers or pictures. Start with your 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus means take away. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1. Straight line down. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Six minus 3 equals. Start with mental math. Fingers or pictures. Start with your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus means take away. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Straight line. Read it. 6 minus 3 equals 3. How many in the 10 frames? Here's one 10 frame, here's another. First one is full, so we know that's 10. Second one is full, we know that's 10. 2 10s is 20. So how many in the 10 frames? 20 are in the 10 frames. How many more to make 20? Well, we already have 20. So how many more do we need? We don't need any more. And that number is 0. We need 0 more. Good job, you guys. What shape is it? Okay, it's flat. Look at what it's got. It's a rectangle. How do you know? Well, you heard me say it's flat. And when we say it's flat, it means it's 2D or two-dimensional. It has a length and a width, but no height. Okay? Now remember what's special about a rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And it has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. I needed my S there. Okay, that's what makes it a rectangle. What shapes do you see? Okay, let's look at our picture. We talked about the Mexican flag being a rectangle and the parts inside a rectangle. The pole, if it was a real one, it would be a cylinder. We looked at the top of the sombreros, and those in real life are a cone, but here in the picture it looks like a rectangle. I'm not rectangle, a triangle. Whoops. Okay, looking around, what else do we see? Well, I'm looking right underneath this on her neck right there. That turns into a triangle, and if we look at all these beautiful shirts, most of them have that triangle at the top. It's called a V-neck. See that V? But with the top of the shirt, it makes a triangle. Word problem. Maya found 2 pennies. Her sister, whoops, I forgot a word here. Found 2 pennies too. They gave them to their brother. How many pennies does Maya's brother have now? Okay, do your mental math, but let's reread it. Maya found, that means she's got them, 2 pennies. She didn't lose 2 pennies, she found them. She got them. Her sister, her being Maya, her sister found 2 pennies too. Now this 2 does not mean the number 2, it means also. Okay? They, being Maya and her sister, gave them being the pennies, to their brother. Okay? How many pennies does Maya's brother have now? Okay, there's a lot of information there, but we can work this through. Okay? So, let's start off. So, here we have Maya. She found 2 pennies. So there's 1, 2. Her sister found 2 pennies too. So here's Maya's sister. She found 2 pennies too. So now they both have 2 pennies. They gave them to her brother. So here's Maya's brother. Whoops. Her brother. And so Maya's going to give her 2, 1, 2, to her brother. And Maya's sister's going to give hers to her brother. 1, 2, to her brother. So, how many pennies does Maya's brother have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because Maya's 2 plus Maya's sister's 2 equals 4 pennies for her brother. 2 great sisters. I hope the little man spends it on you guys though. See y'all later. Amazing job, you guys. I really heard the energy. Keep it up. We're working. We're doing great. Let's keep it going. Have fun all.